Hello, hello.
Hello.
Where's the 37?
Hello, hello. Vlog's over here. Yeah.
Say hi, guys.
Hello, hello, everyone.
65 the other day, so.
Let's see what Mr. Peters is eating.
I'm eating.
Yeah, they all got it.
Okay, so Mr. Oya, what are you making today?
Like the cold
Huevos.
Huevos.
I'm happy for
Huevos
that.
de pina.
Huevos del Juan.
No, huevos don't want. Thank you.
Okay,
Hey, you're
okay.
ruining it. You're ruining it, Sean.
Oops,
Yeah,
my bad.
Huevos con spinach. Shorty's so foreign. Got a brother named Johnny. Your legs are a lot.
So like they have like I think
No,
like
I know.
300 or 400
You have to believe that.
like some massive games.
My
It's
knees
massive stuff. But like the game is like with the beer
Oh, wow.
I take the thing.
Oh, Jesus.
We never actually became like really good friends after that. Right.
You didn't tell me, like, when you want to make the stuff, I'll be
Fucked
vlog
up,
this.
John.
See?
He fucked up.
Whoa! Woo!
Oh, what a pisser.
No, the eggs are alive. We're okay. That was a lot of
Oh
milk.
my god. They never were.
The fridge is damaged.
This
This place sucks. The egg.
I had to fill out a
Where's the
a
other
spreadsheet with Reed, like all the new Reed.
What are you looking for, Johnny?
The piece.
Yeah, I was like,
What piece?
I was the only person out of like 15 people to say chicken. I did one
Where do you think it
person
is?
who said chicken.
maybe you eat it.
Ow, that hurts. Where is it? Seriously. Alright, I'm just gonna put this back then. I don't know what
I
else
guess
to do.
when does it then become a chicken?
Well, that's a very precarious looking milk.
Okay. Sean, what about engineering skills? Do you think something could go kind of loop around in there?
I will be able to do that.
We'll help you guys with
You
that.
will?
That kind of sucks.
Hey,
I'm
man.
trying to eat my ice disc. Ice disc was, there was a piece of ice in the Androscoggin River last year, or maybe 2 years ago, that like got national attention because it got caught in this eddy, and so it was just going in a circle, and then became a perfect circle of ice.
That's sick.
And it was like ice disc, and we drove over it to go to the track meets, and then the kids started yelling ice disc, and we kind of piggybacked up from there.
Big icy Scott. Tell him what you call that dish, John.
This is the ice disc.
Huevos de Juan.
Bye, Tondo.
Bye, Tondo.
Bye, Tondo.
Alright, see ya later.